everyone, welcome to SJ Infinity. This is Pushpa Jyoti here. I hope you have downloaded math textbook PDF. Now ready to start. In the previous video, I have explained you the 5 principles LICPC to study maths easily. Today we will be starting on our first chapter of Math 1, that is mathematical logic. Now let us understand the definition of logic. Logic is a science of accurate reasoning or thinking. For solving logical question, we need to use our reasoning and thinking power. I have come up with an example to justify this. Here there are 3 treasure boxes and below each of them some hidden answer is given. Let us find it. Below the first treasure box, it is called chest 1. It is written the gold is not in 2. Below the second one, the gold is in 1 or 3. And below the chest 3, the gold is not here. This means where will be the gold? Let us find where is the gold. Okay. See, it is given in chest 1, the gold is not in 2. So it is confirmed that the gold is not in chest number 2. Okay. So remove that option. Next, in the second, below the second chest, it is given the gold is in 1 or 3. It is either in 1 or in 3. So we have 2 answers, either in 1 or 3. Let us check 1 is correct or 3 is correct. Okay. Now come to the third chest. Below it is written the gold is not here. That means the gold is not in chest number 3. Therefore, the answer is chest number 1. See how interesting it is to solve logical questions. So, let me start with some subtopics of mathematical logic. We have 7 subtopics in this chapter. The first one is statement and its truth value, then logical connective compound statements, then truth tables, negation of statements and compound statements, then statement pattern, logical equivalence, then tautology, contradiction and contingency, quantifiers and quantified statements, duality, then application of logic to switching circuits, that is switching table. We will study these subtopics one by one. Before entering into the chapter, let us remember some basics of English grammar. Okay? There are 4 types of sentences, namely declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. We'll go through each one of them briefly. Coming to declarative sentence, it is also known as simple sentence. See the definition of declarative sentence. The definition of declarative sentence is: a declarative sentence is written in the present tense and expresses a direct statement. Let us understand this with some example. In our first example, the sentence given is the sky is blue. Here, the sky is your subject, is your verb, blue is your object. I have highlighted it with different colors. Red for subject, blue color for verb and green color for blue. So here the subject is the sky, the verb is and the object is blue. So subject plus verb plus object comes together to form a declarative sentence. Similarly, in the second example, I love my cat. Here, I is your subject, love is your verb and my cat is your object. This is also in the form of S plus V plus O. Therefore, this is also a declarative sentence. It's all about declarative sentence. Now the second type of sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is used to convey a command or a request. For example, bring me a glass of water. Here the sentence starts with a verb and it denotes order or command. In the next example is please come here, where come is your verb, it appears after please. Please symbolizes request. Third type of sentence is interrogative sentence. Whenever a question is asked or question mark appears in the sentence, it is understood that it is an interrogative sentence. Okay, let us see the definition of interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question. For example, in the first one, did you see her? And in the second one, would you prefer chocolate or vanilla ice cream? Fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory mark always appears in the sentence. For example, the birthday cake was so good. How beautiful the city is. Keep practicing. Hope you found this video useful. If it is so, hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe our channel. For any doubt clarification, please comment below. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.